In this video, you are going to learn how to access to the Hillstone device for management. For the management of Hillstone device, the system supports two methods, Web UI and CLI. For the Web UI, the Hillstone device supports both HTTP and HTTP protocols. Just open your browser. We recommend you to use Chrome. In the address bar, input the IP address or the hostname of the Hillstone device. And in the login page, input the username and password. Click Login. After a few seconds, you should be able to log into the device to perform management. Now, let's take a look at another method, CLI. The CLI is the short term for command line interface. The system supports Telnet, SSH, and console. So, we recommend you to use PuTTY for the connection of CLI because it supports all of them. And usually we use SSH. In the address bar, input the IP address or the host name for the Hillstone device. And click Open. Input the username and password. And then you should be able to log into the CLI to perform management. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more details in the document library. Thank you.